Why is this so high for no reason? I'm breaking out so bad. Oh, my hair is curly. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in a different setup. I'm in my kitchen because today we're trying to do a copycat vanilla bean from Starbucks. I saw this like trend going around where everybody is doing the copycat pink drink.
I didn't want to be basic, even though I am.
I'm gonna do the vanilla bean just because, you know, I haven't seen anybody do this. Okay, so in order to make the vanilla bean, you have to have vanilla bean ice cream. It was vanilla bean ice cream, but I just got strawberry. Okay, as I was saying before I was really interrupted, you'll need a cup of ice, 1.5 cup of milk, 3 scoops of vanilla bean ice cream. There was vanilla bean ice cream, but I just got strawberry ice cream. Just so you know, we can experiment. So this video could probably be a flop. I don't know. Teaspoon of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And whipped cream. It's optional. I totally forgot to get whipped cream, but I do like to get my vanilla bean with extra whipped cream and caramel. So I'm gonna put caramel on the outside. It's pretty simple. It just says blend all the ingredients together, and then you just transfer it to a glass, and then you serve. Yeah. So let's see. 1 cup of ice. I don't know if that's 4, but like this is the best it's gonna get. So a cup of ice, 1.5 cup of milk. I'm really not good with measurements. Okay, 1.5. Oh my god. I think that's, I don't know. We're just gonna put it in there. Okay. 3 scoops of vanilla bean ice cream. There's barely any in here, so I'm just gonna put the whole thing. Okay, this is like 1 scoop. This is like 2, and then I'm just gonna put the whole thing, cause it's like might as well just finish it. You know.
Don't let it go to waste.
This ice cream is so good. A teaspoon of sugar. So this is 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1/4. Oh, so I have to do 4 of these because, yeah, I'm just gonna do 4 of these because 1/4 of a teaspoon, that's, if I do 4 scoops, that's 4 out of 4. So I'll just do 4 scoops of 1/4. I don't want to put too much either, because I don't like it sugary since the ice cream is kind of already sweet. Okay, 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract.
What the heck is 1/8?
1/8. Oh my god, I could have just, oh my god, they really want to interrupt me. Yes, I'm recording. Ma, what's 1/8 of a teaspoon? I only found this one. 1/4. If I put 4, 2 of these? Oh, that makes sense. You guys interrupted me.
What?
What are you making,
Vanilla bean. For the next few video clips play, I just want to get on here to clarify. I was kind of being mean to my mom. Like, I sounded like my tone was not okay. But I guess that's just how I talk. If I sound mean, like, I don't mean to be mean. I don't know, like, I just wanted to clear that up. And also, it got really noisy too, so sorry for that. But I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. That has been there for like the past month or 2. It's not mine, by the way.
Vanilla bean, like, ice cream? Correct?
Yeah. And then I just have to mix it together. That one's done.
I don't heat up.
Oh my god, it's my dad again. Is it dripping? Why is it dripping?
I don't think it's close.
Why is it? What
Oh, make sure that the bottom is like sealed correctly. Like,
Oh, oh, there's a hole.
Forgot to buy whipped cream. Oh, I'm kind of sad I didn't bring whipped cream. Ma, do you want a vanilla bean?
¿Qué es?
Try it.
No, pero tiene plátano.
Why is he gonna have plátano?
It's a vanilla bean like the one from Starbucks.
Pero ¿dónde está el popote?
Oh my god,
It's Starbucks.
we're not too rich for that.
En el Starbucks me dan popote. Ya, ¿qué tiene? It's good.
Do you want that one?
¿Tú qué vas a tomar? Oh, sure. I'll take this one. Thank you. Voila. Vanilla bean. Mmm.
Doesn't that give you more air? What? Oh my god.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Don't we have like a reusable straw? You're killing the earth with that.
I think we did. Ay, me salió mucho.
Oh yeah, we do.
Me salió mucho
Taste test.
caramelo.
Oh my god, it's so good. What do you rate it?
Delicious.
We're done now.
Sabia, rompope. Poquito. It's fun.